Hello friends, welcome back to another new tutorial on demo content import of Typiq Modern and Lightweight Blog WordPress Theme. Go to the appearance from your dashboard, then Theme to add new theme. Then click on Upload Theme. For choosing file, select your exact zip file of it. Then click on Install Now. After completing installation, then click on Activate. And instantly you will get several required plugins to begin installing plugins. Let's click on it and select all the plugins together to install, then click on Apply. While done, click on Return to Required Plugins Installer and again select all of them to activate, then click on Apply. After that, click on Return to the dashboard and go to the Appearance, then Easy Demo Importer. Here you will get a numerous predefined homepage. If you want, you can preview each homepage one by one and select anyone from it to import. After choosing your predefined homepage layout, then click on Import and you will get 4 steps to complete your importing demo. So click on Continue to start. To configure your import, you will get 2 options for excluding or reset. You can choose this exclude option if your demo import fails repeatedly. Let's choose the reset existing database options and keep patience for completing your importing demo. While done, then click on View Site. And here it is, the Typiq Modern and Lightweight Blog WordPress Theme. If you are looking to launch a professional content platform, you need to see Typiq. This is a premium multi-concept WordPress theme specifically engineered for modern blogs, news portals, and digital magazines. What sets it apart? It builds on the Elementor page builder for total design freedom. You get over 10 unique homepage demos, a built-in dark mode toggle for better user experience to keep your audience engaged. Thank you for watching this tutorial.